I am Teresa, and my project is called Expanding the FCC Department. The agenda for today will be introduction, stakeholder analysis brainstorming, WBS, network diagram, budget, HR assignment, and then conclusion. Our healthcare organization has recently merged with another healthcare organization, and we need to determine if we would need to hire more Rep 1s and Rep 2s to sustain the increased patient volume in our FCC, which is our Financial Care Center Department. I first did a stakeholders analysis brainstorming. This included in the center the expanding the FCC department, and then some of the stakeholders at a high level are our current FCC reps, management, project sponsor, leader, subject matter experts, our human resource department, our functional department, our negative stakeholders, and voices of customers. After I broke down that first level, the second level underneath management would include a manager, director, and VP of revenue cycle, which is the hierarchy of the financial care center. Our project sponsor leader is Laurel, and our subject matter experts would be Gunderson Health System Customer Financial Services Manager. Our HR department would include talent, which does the hiring of our staff, and our payroll department for once they are on board, along with the payroll for our project team members. Our functional department would be our IT department. They would handle all of the training and so on, and our IT purchasing, which deals with purchasing the new computer equipment. Our negative stakeholders is the healthcare organization we are buying out, and the voices of our customers are our current patients. Then I did a WBS, which is the work breakdown structure for expanding the FCC department. First, you have the customer voice feedback, which would include conducting current patient survey, analyzing the current patient survey results. We also will have a kickoff meeting, which would be meeting to discuss the project along with expectations. We also are asking for our subject matter expert feedback, so we'll conduct a subject matter expert meeting. Then we have hiring of new staff, which will include posting the job openings, conducting interviews, scheduling interviews, and then we're going to send all the new hire paperwork to the new hire to sign and send back to us. We'll make offers. We'll schedule pre-employment appointments. We'll also have training, create new hire EPIC training, and create new hire FCC department training. We'll also have new hire equipment, which will include building new hire equipment, shipping new hire equipment, ordering the new hire equipment, and giving access to our new hires. As you can see through this work breakdown structure, this is not in chronological order by any means. It is just everything that needs to be accomplished for this project to be successful. I then did a network diagram. A network diagram shows the tasks that need to be done in order and duration, along with what we can do for early start through late start. As you can see on the left-hand side, we had the start along with post jobs that continued over to scheduling interviews, conduct interviews, which can happen at the same time, over to make offers, and then pre-employment items. Under here, we had EPIC training, which after EPIC training, we go into the department training and then over to the end because there's nothing further with training. Then we have for IT, order equipment, We'll build the computer and get security access at the same time. We can do that. We can ship the computer, and then we can have the employees set it up, and there's our end. So as you can see, 35 days. As you'll see, I did neglect to include the critical path in this. And then also my days are, or my amounts are calculated out into days. Then I created a budget. As you can see, every project task that I mentioned earlier has a project task here, who it's going to be assigned to, if there's any planned labor hours, and then the actual labor hours, the cost per hour, which totals down at the bottom, any material units, the cost of the unit and the total, any travel expense, equipment expense, which is your computers for the new hire equipment, any fixed cost, any miscellaneous cost, and then those are totaled at the bottom. Then my overall budget, which is added up at the bottom, but you can see it at the top. My budget for this was $16,591. Actual was $13,828, so I came under by $2,763. Our HR department will help with numerous things regarding our project. They will help what employees will be on the project, handle the tasks of posting jobs, scheduling the interviews, helping us conduct interviews, generating the employment offers, and pre-employment work. They will handle the rewards and recognition for project team members by assigning points for recognition that the member of the team can redeem for gift cards or products such as vacuum cleaners, keyboards, anything like that. They'll also help ensure project members watch a video on safety. In conclusion for my project, I've learned many things that I did not know prior to taking this course that will help me with my position at my current job tremendously. We are very excited to have more Rep 1s and Rep 2s join our team. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation and the entire course. Thank you.